Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Akoma Miriam. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this frontal knotless braid. This was actually for a client, that's why I didn't trim the excess net. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into this video. This is the hair blend frontal I used. After ventilating it, I sewed it to the wig cap and I sectioned it so that it will be easy for me to braid. So I started braiding from the back. One thing you would want to take note of is how I am arranging the braids. The back of the wig doesn't have to be so full so that the wig will not be heavy. You just have to know how to distribute it well. I started the front of camera. So guys, I don't really know what this method of knotless braiding I'm doing is called. I just think this method is easy and I prefer using this method. If you look at what I'm doing closely, the feeding in method I'm doing, and you think you know what this method is called, please do well to drop it on the comment section so we all can learn. Guys, I'm also going to be showing you the trick on how I cover the part where I sew the frontal and the wig cap together. The trick on how I cover it to make it look more natural. I don't know the part it is in this video, but I know it's somewhere in this video. Okay guys, this is it. This is what I do to make the back look more natural. So I just bring out small amount of hair at the back, then I'll put the attachment. After putting the attachment, I will cover the attachment with the hair and then braid it down. And I think this method also works. Guys, let me know in the comment section if you are going to be trying this method out, because this method also works. It also works, seriously. It makes it look more natural. Yeah. Guys, please don't forget to like my video. Your likes and comments encourages us more to drop more tutorials like this, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell to get more video tutorials like this. After I'm done braiding the front, I'm going to go ahead and trim the wig, add it inside hot water, then add my baby hairs, add my meals, and I also added my elastic band, and that's just it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.